HubSpot versus Constant Contact, Email Marketing-Centric CRM. Links to both products are in the description below. In this video, we'll compare HubSpot and Constant Contact, two CRM platforms with strong email marketing features, to help you decide which one suits your business needs best. While both excel in email marketing, they cater to different audiences and offer varying levels of functionality for managing customer relationships and campaigns. HubSpot is a robust CRM platform designed for businesses seeking a comprehensive tool that combines marketing, sales, and customer service management. Its email marketing tools are seamlessly integrated into its broader CRM suite, allowing you to create targeted campaigns, automate workflows, and track performance directly alongside your sales pipeline and customer interactions. HubSpot also provides pre-designed email templates, A/B testing, and detailed analytics, making it a powerful solution for data-driven businesses. The platform's free tier includes email marketing and basic CRM capabilities, while its paid plans add advanced marketing automation, reporting, and personalization options. Constant Contact, on the other hand, is tailored primarily for small businesses that prioritize email marketing simplicity. It specializes in creating and managing email campaigns with an intuitive drag-and-drop editor, customizable templates, and straightforward contact management. Constant Contact excels in helping users grow their email lists with sign-up forms and list segmentation, making it ideal for businesses that rely heavily on email engagement. Unlike HubSpot, it doesn't offer as extensive CRM or sales tools, but its focus on email marketing ensures you get a streamlined and user-friendly experience. It also integrates with e-commerce platforms, which is a bonus for businesses selling online. In summary, HubSpot is a better fit for businesses looking for an all-in-one solution that integrates email marketing with advanced CRM and automation tools. Meanwhile, Constant Contact is perfect for small businesses and non-technical users who need a straightforward platform to manage and grow their email marketing campaigns. Check out the links in the description to explore these platforms and find the one that aligns with your goals.